Yo, what up, DBT? Oh. Free trade, baby. I'm setting everything up. I kind of like this. Kind of double bottom, breaking over this midpoint. I would almost think it's going to head back up. See what happens. My stop is right here. Yo, you took a dump as the market dump? What up, Vince? I just took it off real quick. Bro, it happens, man. That's why you got to get one of those bedpans like they got in you ever see that South Park episode when they're playing and Cartman's just going to the bathroom at the computer? Ma, bathroom. Yo, how the fuck am I green today? Yo, better yet, Scotsman. How the fuck am I taking out max payout? Biatch. Another $1,200. Cove, show me your payouts. Show me your payouts. $1,200. Mark it on the stream so you can come back to get your Jergens out. $1,200. That guy was being such a bitch yesterday. Well, there you go, bud. $1,200. Thanks, Cody. Bro, I love the markets today, man. Tearing it up. If we get a little pullback here, I am going to take a trade. I'll stop out if we close under 56. Come on. Yo, show the feet. I wonder if he comes back today. Probably not. They never come back. It's usually people that got their fucking shit pushed in, Amelia, and they're not able to do anything. So it's usually people who are unhappy. Are you not going to fucking film me? Are you shitting me right there? You going to play me like that? Don't play me like that. Come on. Oh, you little. Come on. I'm just do not do this. That's an awful entry. I just am doing this. If I don't get filled, I don't get filled. But I wanted to get filled at 67. You were thinking about shorting? Well, this is a free trade now. Oh, wait. Free trade. Let's see where they bring it to. Are they going to bring it to the promised land? Schemer and scammers. Yo, what up, Roro? What up, what up? I'm just slowly. Oh, there we go. They got me. It wasn't much. $30. I'm in 37 mini short. What? How does one go in 37 mini short? I kind of want to pull back. Yo, what up, Code? You're in Apex 300? 1 hour order block plus FVG held for the sell. Oh, you're talking about up here? I don't know about this short talk. Just being honest. I don't know about going short personally. I want to see 66. My dumbass was in and sold out quick. Market's going good, Jack. I locked in a max payout with my funded futures, and I'm up pretty much everywhere. Pretty much everywhere. Yeah, things are really good over here. I actually, yeah. I trade on hope, DBT. The hope is strong with me today. So I took the fair value gap. Well, first of all, this hit, what is this, the opening range? This is the imbalance. So obviously I took this trade, right? And then you kind of have a double bottom. You break over this, right? You got a kind of a W, you break over the middle. And on top of that, you invert a fair value gap. Like this is a must-take trade to the upside. It's kind of like an A+ setup. I almost want to get back in. I feel like I'm chasing though. Yo, one setup for life, as everybody on Twitter says. One setup for life. Right? Isn't that the saying? Almost positive that's the saying. One setup for life or some shit like that. Yo, what up, Double O? Yeah, I think if it pulls back, it's definitely going to continue up. Let me just see this real fast. Boom. Yo, Scotsman, usually you're not even trading this at this time of the day. I'm shocked to see you trading right now. Usually you're done. Usually you are done for the day. Interesting to see you getting in there, getting down and dirty here. Oh, a little tilt action. Yo, by the way, Dell, where'd you go for lunch, bro? I thought you were going to go live. I went to watch you, and you were gone. You ready for Tokyo Drift? Family. He's slumming. Dude, I made my lunch, and I went to turn on to listen to Dell trade, and he was nowhere to be had. Oh, I was telling everybody we were going live today. All right, you for now on, you tell me when we want to do it. Man, that was such a good fucking buy. Like, look at this move. Ready? Short, scalp long, scalp short, scalp long, scalp long. Dude, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades, all different ways. I was actually down about 1,500 in this account, and I copy traded this with some other ones. Yo, fuck the office, man. Tell them you're busy. Like, yo, about to make this paper. Oh, man. Tired. My wife brought me this coffee, but it's like turmeric-y. I don't even know what's in it. It's like I don't like it, but I can't stop drinking it. Well, damn, Dell. Did you try out the new indicator we were talking about on the stream? Look, I just took the inversion of the fair value gap up. Could have caught a long here. It actually caught the top right here. I'm forward testing it. The indicators in the chat in the Discord. If you're gonna, bro, should have added it. Eat some cookies and some cake and then add it. Bro, my kids played this lava song. It's like la 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 lava chicken. Bro, they played it for like 20 minutes straight this morning. I can't get it out of my head. Someone's lava chicken. Oh. La 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 lava chicken. What is it, like Stu's lava chicken? Wait, how's it go? Dude, this song is so fucking catchy. Oh, Baby Shark. This one's worse than Baby Shark. Dude, it's Steve's Lava Chicken. I can't play it on the stream because of copyright, but play Steve's Lava Chicken. Yeah, that's it. La la lava chicken. Steve's Lava Chicken. Yeah, it's tasty as hell. Oh, mama, see it. Now you're ringing the bell. Crispy and juicy. Now you're having a snack. Oh, super spicy. It's a lava attack. Bro, so fucking catchy. Jack Black sings it. Yo, Baby Shark was definitely one that was catchy. This is kind of gearing up. This is flagging for another leg up. Bro, I can't. I got a thing in town to go to after this. I got my brother and his wife coming over to my house later on. I got a lot of shit going on tonight. Yo, My Funded Futures TV asked me what I do when I'm stressed out. She asked me if I stress eat for some reason. I was like, I just go off stream and hit the bubbler and then come back. All the stress is gone. Zero stress, baby. Oh. Bro, Sean, I'm going to be in the shadow realm in Vegas. You're going to have to come find me. I will be in the shadow realm. Yo, as soon as I land in Vegas, I go right to Planet 13. I stack up on gummies, pre-rolls. Why did you ask why that one guy wears sunglasses? Oh, that guy Forrest? I don't know, man. I didn't ask. I was trying to be as nice as possible. Dude, I come back to life on the plane ride home, and then I figure out how much money I won or lost. That's how it works. That's exactly how it works. I go through my photo, my camera roll. I go through everything, and I'm like, damn, that was a crazy weekend. You dropped 8K today. Oh, you mean like you lost 10,000, 8K in worth inside the funded account? Or like, what's 8 Gs? What was that, like 80 funded accounts? Right? Aren't they like 100 each? That sucks, man. It happens. Oh, all right. I mean, you could come back. Yo, Suleiman, what's up? Bro, is that King Suleiman? Is that how you say it? King Solomon? What? Wait, why the buffer? Or what is the buffer? I think the buffer is $5,100. Why? Because that's how the rules are. Rules are rules. Yeah, I think it's 5,100, Solomon. Bro, remember Gangsta's King Solomon letting bygones be bygones and so on and so on. Oh, what up, CT? Yo, who's gonna smash today? I'll be honest with you. I mean, I'm up pretty good. I'm debating on whether to start rocking these. I'm going back on Take Profit Trader. I got the My Funded Futures payout coming, so I can go back on Take Profit Trader. You thought it was 4,500? I'll tell you right now. This is why I have this. I'll show you what I have. I'll show you what I got. This is a good thing to bookmark, by the way. This is the exact reason I made this, by the way. I'll tell you in 2 seconds. I got to open it. This is definitely flagging. Did I not fucking do that here? So anyways, I'll add it. But I have a lot of the withdrawal limits and everything in that Google Doc. It's usually whatever the drawdown is. That's typically how it works. Whatever the drawdown is usually what it is. Oh, the max drawdown is 4,500. So that's probably the buffer then, $4,500. Yeah. Yeah. Usually it's whatever the drawdown is. Yo, Sean, I'm going to play it in some accounts I don't care about. I'm going to play MOC in some accounts I don't care about. And dude, this is definitely flat. Look, so this is where you get a little divergence. See how stochastics are selling off or coming down? Share price is not really coming down. That's telling you eventually we're going to curl up and we're going to come back and shoot high. You could see it was a flag. We're breaking the flag. I'm going up to break even. I don't want to see this trade below 700 personally. Yeah, what drift plays were you talking about? I like the 359 one personally. I just got stopped. BE. I'm still in it though, by the way. I just want to let you know I'm still in it. I'm still in it. My movement, I'm giving it a lot of space on that account. I just want to be open to you guys and transparent, saying I'm still in it over there. But I want to see it not go lower than 690. 690, I'm probably out. Which drifts? Oh, 4 p.m. London Open. Yo, I'll be honest with you. The 6 p.m. candle is a great one to do. I've been trying to do something for New York Open. What do you have for New York Open, Sean? What did you guys talk about there? This better fucking go up soon, otherwise I'm getting out. Break even again. I want to see it fucking pop. I want to see a pop. I just moved my stop up, so at least I get a little taste. It just doesn't want to fucking go. Oh, you were back testing the 925 to 930? So basically the 929 candle would be the end of it, right, Dell? Yeah, how did that come about? Did it work? Whoa, Jim Blab. What? Yo, somebody is about to get the clap today. Congrats, man. Passed the first one. That's big. That's big.
Do not come. Do not come.
I'm gonna come.
I figured, haven't heard that in a little bit. Yo, Trump's talking with President Xi or whatever his name is Friday. Bro, it never gets old. Never. Dude, I don't, yo, Bill Gates, yo. Yo, I mean, they're supposed to talk. Damn, Baba. You're passing Apex right now, Robert? How close are you? Are you like Bill Gates pokes cows? Bill Gates was on Epstein's plane 37 times, but can't remember what he was doing on there 37 different times. I don't know what I was doing. I don't know. I went on there 37 times. I don't remember what happened. Yeah, okay, bud. I believe it. I believe it. Yeah. Little baby oil massage. Get some Diddy oil. Oh, man. Man, this is some real shit chop. I do think it's going to end up going up. I mean, you're above the 34. You're above the 200. We dipped. They bought it back up, consolidating. I almost want to say that they're going to target 760 again. 760 would be probably my target up if I was to hold. We'll see what happens. Oh, man. Pass a 25K on Take Profit Trader and 250Ks. Damn, Carl. Dude, you crushed it today. You made a ton of money, I can tell you that. To pass all those accounts, you're going to make like
$700 billion and $1.3 trillion.
It's a lot of money. Look at the 10-minute candle. Where I guess I got to get it from here, right? I'm not in right now. I'm not in currently, but I'm just hanging. I'm hanging. You want to see it stay above the 200, right in here. You get paid after you pass. You pass, and then you go to a funded account to go get paid, Robert. That's how it works. So you pass the eval, and then you trade a funded account. I've never used the 10-minute candle, to be honest. That was something new. I just broke my 10-minute candle cherry. Never even went to it. What up, bum? Oh, man. Stretching. Yo, I got a payout, or I locked in a $1,200 payout today, which is nice. My funded futures. Noel, back at it. What type of work do you do, bum? I think I asked you one time. What type of work you do? Do you work on are you the guy who works on the farm? No. Oh. Yes, you recycle auto parts. That was freaking yes. Yeah, recycled auto parts. Interesting. Yeah. Oh, you cover 2 states and 2 time zones? Oh, so when you go to the other states, another time zone? That's weird. Not weird, different. I guess it's different. Yo, have you ever seen that show, Scotsman? Gigolos on freaking HBO? No, Showtime. Dude, that shit ran for like 7 seasons. Want to buy a crate of catalytic converters? Yo, Jim Blab, you going out cutting them out? That's so funny. TiVo, what show? It was called Gigolos. It was on Showtime. I've never seen the movie. Gigolo, the one I'm talking about is like a reality show. Like they follow these dudes. But it's not like, it's more of like them just living their normal life. It's freaking no cat. You inverted your charts? There's on what? TradingView? I think there's a button for it. I don't know about that, Amelia. Yo, yeah, in Topstep, there's a button that inverts it. Where was it? Oh, Control I. Yeah.
Order filled. Order filled.
I was on the screen. Might as well just buy real quick. Oh, I've seen the Deuce Bigelow one. Yeah, no. This show is on freaking Showtime, though. Good old Ho time, late night. But it was like more like following them just hanging out and shit. I keep getting some ad about gigolos and how one of them murdered a girl. Wonder from. Yeah, I don't know. On Sling, I don't have Sling. I have I'm on Hulu. Good old Hulu TV. You're looking for 608 to short? If we fail here to push higher through this consolidation, I'm looking for 608. I mean, you would assume that we're going to push out of this to the upside. Come on. Take me to the fucking promised land. Take me higher. Come on. Oh. Yo, taking half off. Other half. Break even, bitches. We got break even. Woo! Yo. That's a good trade right there. Whatever happens, locked in at least 80 bucks. I'll stay at BE. I like getting to break even as fast as I can because I have no worries now. Whatever happens, happens. You know, I'll move up if we get over this imbalance, I'll move up. You know, let it move around a little bit. Come on, baby. What up, Oliver? What's up, Marco? See, now I'll move up a little bit, right? Lock in peanut gains. I want to see this push over, though. Come on. Come on. Get fucking over. If we can get over and touch 16, I'm going to move up to the bottom of that candle. I don't want to see this candle go red. All right, well, it happens. And what was that, 80 and 80? Did I get out at the same spot? I did pretty much. I don't know, 80 and 50. 130 bucks. Oh. I mean, either way, it's a good trade if you're still in. I got fucking wicked out at the bottom. Jaden's holding. Miramar, 750s are coming. Listen, I hope so. I hope so. If you're long, you got 750s coming. Believe me. First green trade of the day, Scotsman. Damn. Bro, they just slammed it back down. No follow through. None at all. No juice, baby. Zero juice. Watch, now they pop it all the way up. Bounced off the fourth open line in Spaceman. I don't know which one. I don't use Spaceman like that. I actually don't know which line that is, to be honest. Yo, how did my Fun and Futures TV go? Yo, it went pretty good. I thought everybody had a good time. It was only a half hour, which kind of seemed fast, to be honest. I was hoping for an hour. Maybe they'll have me back. Oh, 4-hour candle open. Ah, okay. I'm hoping they have me back. we'll see. I'm going to it's just so funny. I went on My Funded Futures TV today, and now I'm requesting a max payout from their account today. So I will I'll probably make a post about it today, and then hopefully they ask me to come back. Today, yeah, I was on My Funded Futures TV today. Yo, I didn't pull out my space helmet. Yeah, you know what it is? It was like the first time, and I'll be honest with you, half hour is super quick. Think about it like this. I've been on the stream for more than a half hour today in the afternoon, and like I feel like it just started. So, well, I mean, I couldn't do the ducks. No helmet, no ducks. But Terry wants you to spin her. Yo. Bro. I mean, I had fun. I had a good time. Hopefully they email me back. And they're like, yo, do you want to come back? I don't know how they work. Like, I don't know if they're going to email me back, or it's going to be like, I don't hear back for a month and then they reach back out. Like, I don't know. You know, I sent them a message, said I had a great time. And that's it, you know. Which, yo, at least call grandma. Did I take any trades? I took one trade and it ended up, there was like news. I don't know what happened. It just dumped. And then it came all the way back and I would have been green. But I wasn't. Yeah. This is becoming very untrustworthy right now. This is definitely not great. Yo. So when I said that, they fucking were dying. Have to send feet pics. Gotta send feet pics. Yeah, I mean, I didn't get anything for being on there. Like, they don't give me anything. It's just more like you're on there, you have fun, and that's it. I'm not I don't actually get paid or anything. I don't even get it. I don't even get a free eval. Yeah. I don't even get that. Like, I don't get a free eval. I don't get anything. Honestly, I should have switched my accounts. I should have been done trading these. They were up over $200. I should have switched to two other ones. If I get break even, I'm gonna switch the accounts. It's not looking good for me. Watch them just rip it on like a Trump tweet or something like that. One big Trump tweet and just blast it to like 727 or something. I'm just trying to see what I would go to. I would go to 249. Okay. And then 49.53. Okay. 49.53. I'm just looking to see what I'm going to, if I can get to break even, I'm going to rotate the accounts. These would be over $200 again, and I can just get out of what I'm in. We'll see what happens. And then if I get stopped, I'd probably still rotate out because they'll be up still 100 and something bucks. I'll just rotate out. It's looking pretty good, though. MOC up or down? I don't know. I just go whatever way it goes. I'm like the wind, man. I just go whatever way. Whatever way the wind blows is the way I'm going. I just want to get out of those accounts. Yo, how'd you almost blow it? What'd you do? Man, this chop is real. Damn, look at that. They sold it right back down. That is not good. That's no bueno. I'm glad I got out. I got out near the top. Man. This shit looks dumpy. I got a tight stop because if it comes back over the 200, they're probably going to push it up. Yeah, just like that. Damn, Scotsman. Yo, Hail Mary. Hey, sometimes you got to go with it, you know? This is fucking chop fest, though. Come on. I mean, we've basically been chopping around since what, 2:30, last 45 minutes? Come on. 37 minis? Oh, jeez. Who's in the 37 mini club? This is a indicator test trade right here. Oh, Chris, there's people that can relate in here probably. Yeah, man, that sucks. I would say, Chris, inside Ninja Trader, I don't know if you have Ninja Trader, but they have a sim account that you could trade. There's a sim account, so you could trade a paper account until you get, you get better or, testing your strategies and things like that. I would say if you wanted to ever progress forward, I would trade a sim account and go that route for a little bit. Yeah. That's probably the route that I would go. Yeah, I mean, I felt that way. I actually talked about it today on My Funded Futures TV. How when I first started futures, with prop firms, dude, I couldn't believe I wasn't profitable right away because I was making so much money with options that when I moved over, I thought it would just be easy. Like, oh, just another thing. I'll just make money on it. Super easy. And yeah, it didn't go that way at all. Yeah, there's a couple places that have demo accounts. You should definitely get a demo account. Yo, it is mentally, because at the end of the day, I'm fucking shot. And I'm, yeah, it's draining, man. 10, Jack. 10 minis. Every day is draining. Every single day is draining. At the end of the day, at the end of the day, I'm drained. All the time. I'm just like, I'm tired. Come on. Come on. Push. 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 Dude. Yeah, I didn't get up at 2. I mean, I've been up since maybe like 5:45. Yeah, I would just test it out, man. I just feel like at some point they're going to put in some algo candle. It feels like the algo candle is coming. One way or another, the algo candle is coming. I don't know if it's going to be up or down. It just feels like the algo candle is on its way. You really want to see it get over 709 is really what you want to see it to the upside. We get over a close over 709, you're probably going to start pushing back up. Your girl thinks you're crazy. Hey, if you're making money, that's all that matters, right? At the end of the day. Oh, man. The longer the consolidation, the bigger the move. Is that like more motion in the ocean? Are we talking about the same thing? Yo, I'm going to get more water. I'll be right back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. What's up? Apply for the duck race, and you got like a minute left, probably. Oh, I just cracked my. Oh. I might get out of this. Oh, well, I'm not getting out now. This shit's not going anywhere. Yo, who's in here? Yo, Mama Tick's in here. Robert Rod, Keeson. Yo, what's up, guys? What's up? What are you guys doing? Kevin, Nathan, Oliver, Jay Styles is in here. Ian. Yo, I'm going to have to start saying that you got to say hello before entering the duck race. NQ is an asshole. Any good earnings today? I'll look in 2 seconds. Yo, who else we got in here? Luca. By the way, if you're not subscribed, you got to subscribe to the channel to be entered in the duck race. So, what up, Carl? John Ripple's in here. What up, guys? How's everybody? Yo, Maria from jail is in here. Yo, Maria. What's up? Focused on losing money, Cove. Damn, Pete. Monet. Welcome, Monet. TJP's in here. What's up, guy? Andy. Andy, how's the scripts been treating you? I see Piano Trader. Yo, Dr. T, YOLO at 350. 6 evals. What up, Victor? Yo, Dr. T going hard. I kind of want to just get out of this position. If I can get I should have just got out. I'm not loving it. I'm out. I got out pretty much even. So the reason I got out, it just kind of feels kind of feels like, well, obviously it's consolidation in a flag. It's not really a rising wedge per se. I don't know. I just got a bad feeling about it. What's up, Rayu? Orb bot 2 paying? Yo, it is chop. You better just to get out. That's kind of why I got out. I scalped it a couple times in some funded accounts I got. I was long and I was scalping it long. Not loving it. Yo, I didn't realize I have I have another funded account. I just had to trade one day. Yo, I knew it. What's up? Back on my 5 days off. Yo, what type of work do you do, man? What type of work you got going on that you're off? Yo, what up, Discipline? Buy low, sell high. Yo, somebody posted on Twitter, what would you do different if you could do this week again? I said buy lower, sell higher. I don't think they thought it was that funny. Oh, you own a towing company. That's cool, man. Yo, I knew it's out there just laying fucking nails on the street at night, just throwing them out the window, waiting for those phone calls for the flats. Interesting, Chris. You do 7 tow trucks, I guess? Yo, I should start a company. I should do fake towing, just like fake taxi, but it'll be towing. Oh, man. Yeah, Kaba. I mean, we're just trading in this range. Super tight. Probably get a big move here end of day. Definitely end of day move, I would assume. You do 7 15-hour days and then off for 5. Jam, that's a lot. It's a lot of work, man. A big toe pick has my logo. What up, Brandon? What up? I kind of got tired of being in it, so I got out. Oh, what do you think? What's the difference? Because obviously, $5,500 is a lot of money in the account. So, what are you doing differently in that account than you're doing in the funded account? Yo, what up, Miguel? I locked in a max payout with my funded futures today, so I'm going to take that out, and then obviously stacked a lot of gains here. I didn't trade those yet. I didn't trade any of those yet. Dude, I didn't trade a lot of stuff today. Traded that today. Traded this today. Is this going to be it? Is this it? Oh, dude, we're breaking out. Let's see if there's any legs on this thing. Come on. What up, Brian? You would think that this would be the push out of this. Come on. Tuh. Unfucking believable. Bro, I'm in an account I need $4 in. And let's just say I went from needing $4 to I'm down 300. What up, Oscar Green? Oh, it's going to come all the way back. Come on, baby. Oh, I had it. I couldn't hit the button fast enough. All right, I got my $4 I needed. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. It wasn't like a trade. I just needed $4 in this fucking account. And oh, now we're going to go? You piece of shit. Oh, all right. What accounts? Who is going to be playing the end of day? What do we got? End of day drift? We got some Tokyo drift. Some of the accounts just work themselves out of here. Bro, where to learn trading? I have hundreds of videos on my channel that talk about, order blocks, breaker blocks, fair value gaps. Vivek, I have it all on my channel. The actual videos. Don't go to live, go to actual videos. I have all types of strategies. Like if you are brand new and you see this adaptive trend flow. This might be one of the greatest. You go to 30-second chart, and if it's red, all you're looking for is shorts. And if it's green, all you're doing is looking for longs. And this is one way that will help a newer trader out. You can go on the 30-second chart, or you can go on the 1 minute. Same thing. It just kind of shows you the trend of the day on what's going on, where, what the trend is, and things like that. Is it foolproof? No, because obviously it says to short here and you would have lost a little bit, but you can get long here and it'd be nice, or you can get short here for big dump. Obviously, in choppy action, it's not the best, but this I feel like is the best indicator to help somebody that's brand new. It's called Adaptive Trend Flow by Quant Algo. It's basically just kind of like a moving average indicator. Yo, Scotsman. Yeah, I mean, once you know how to trade, obviously take profit trader is the best. But I think, this is probably the easiest one to kind of get, lock in gains. And once you're in locked in gains, just be done. And then you can start looking at some of the other things. It's just that kind of puts it more in perspective for people. Like, are we trending up? Are we trending down? I have a lot of videos, Vivek, a lot of videos about type in like win rate or win, and you'll get a lot of different indicators I use. Also, orb strategies, imbalance strategies. You name it, I probably have a video on it. Bro, I have no idea about grains, soybeans. I remember those two guys ages ago tried to corner the market on concentrated frozen orange juice. And Dan Aykroyd and what's his face destroyed the two brothers. I know that happened a while ago. The Duke brothers. The Duke brothers got destroyed on concentrated frozen orange juice. Oh, Eddie Murphy and Dan Aykroyd. Yeah. Tell me you guys remember that. Somebody remember that? Yo, Trading Places. If you've never seen Trading Places, you should watch Trading Places. Yo, is there a story behind how I got into it? I got into trading back probably towards the tail end of college. I was always kind of interested in it. I probably got my first feet wet when I was in high school. They would have these like little trading competitions on the internet where you can buy stock. It was free. And you would who could make the most money for the week or the month. Like, I never won, but it kind of got my interest. And then I got more interested in college, especially towards the end. And then I got more interested when I got done with college. And then I had money at the time, so I took a leap. Yeah, Dr. T. Yeah. Yeah, Jamie Lee Curtis was in it. Dude, that movie was good. I'll bet you $1. Oh, then at the end, like, oh, here's your $1. Bro, that shit was good. There's some really good trading movies and stuff. Obviously, I've seen The Big Short a couple times. I've watched Billions, not really trading related, but kind of. I watched Margin Call. I'm trying to think what else I've watched that was like a good trading type movie. Let me see. I watched Industry. Industry was pretty good. So I just put obviously I've seen Wall Street 1 and 2. I'd never seen Money Monster. I'd never seen inside job or arbitrage. I've seen dumb money. Yeah, billions was good. I've seen dumb money. I kind of live dumb money, which is crazy. So I have an option screener, and I remember GME was lighting it up, and GME was at like maybe it was at like $10, $12, maybe the highest 15, and it was lighting the option screener up like big. So I followed the money and bought GME calls. I got out way early. But I watched that whole thing go up. I remember I was at the gym and it was at 4 something. And I was like, I wonder if I could short it at like 450. What? Oh, they deleted your message, Dell? Put it in again. Yo, put it in again. I'll read it out loud. Let me see what it says. I'll read it. Why Vivek. Oh, jeez, come on, man. I can't read that out loud. Dude, for real? Oh, Chuck. I mean, I can't believe they canceled all the spinoffs of Billions. There was supposed to be like 4 spinoffs, and they canceled them all. I can't even put it on. I can't even say it out loud. Marius Adventures, we go up or down. It's not looking. Honestly, it's looking better than the downside. If we can lose this and just dump, would be much better. I mean, it's holding though. I mean, you could see. The problem is we're starting to break. Stochastics are really sold off. Stochastics are sold off. I don't know. You got 8 minutes to MOC. MOC won't let me be or let me be me. Wait, what? Knowing nothing and being intermediate saying hi. Oh, dude, yeah. You made a ton of money on that, I bet. I'm going to send something. I don't know what I'm going to send, but I'm going to send it. Every time we bounce here, I'm just nervous that we're going to bounce again. See how we just keep bouncing right here? What up, Flip? I got to get some. I got to look for some accounts to send it on. That's what I need to do. I got to set up my Replicanto, yo. All right. Daddy's going to set this up. Let's see what we got. You guys want to see some action from the back section? Let's see. Let's see what we get. Just want to make sure I got note. You can't do this with Apex PA accounts. So if you want to do this with PA accounts, Get a take profit trader account. Dude, is this account smoked? Are any of these got anything left in them? I think these are all super old accounts. I don't even know why they're still showing. I literally canceled these accounts. So weird how it keeps showing. You can bracket trade Apex evals, just not yeah, you can't do funded accounts. I just want to let everybody know. Because I know at some point someone's going to fucking do it and be like, yo, I didn't know you couldn't do it. And I'm like, bro, I've told you a gazillion times you can't do it. Bro, I'm not risking it for the biscuit. I'm getting 20 points and I'm fucking Audi 5,000. What up, Raggy? We going down? I don't know if the market's going down, but I'll just keep it PG. Yeah, so I don't know. It might trend down. It might trend down, Maria. It might just wait for MOC to really drop. Once MOC comes in, I'll probably push it one way or the other. 20 ticks. You finally got out of jail? They let you out? Would you get out on good behavior? Chris, I think you got it. I think you just gotta. Honestly, man, I think if I were you, I would just trade some sim accounts for a couple days and just refine your strategy. Yeah, Maria, you all know is my job. It's better when people think it's real jail. So much better when people think it's real jail. Maria from jail, they just let her out on good behavior or bad behavior, however she got out. Yeah. The best is, Maria, most people thought you were really in jail and that you were trading, which is freaking hysterical. Bad behavior for sure. I thought that was hysterical. People like, yo, everyone's seen the Instagram things of all the Instagram girls that are in jail that want you to write to them. I get that all the time. Yeah, the inmate number. And they're all like, I have 8 months left in penitentiary. If you'd like to write to me, you can write to me. Bro, those Instagram reels are hysterical. I get them all the time. Oh wow, this is really close. Yo, remember, no Apex funded accounts. Actually, I wouldn't use a funded account unless it was take profit trader. Unless you know you're allowed to do this. Just letting you guys know. Unless you know that you're allowed to do this, I would only use take profit trader or Tradeify. I just want you to be aware. I say Tradeify because I've gotten a payout doing this, just using a Tradeify account. You don't get those Instagram reels? I can send them in the chat. Wow, they just fucking dumped this thing. See, what I don't like is I will not play this to the downside right now. It's too far to go to the downside at this point. You see what I'm talking about? I'm only trying to get 3 points. Yeah, see? I'm out. I'm out. It didn't even break. How's that sound? It didn't even break. Look at that. It's still within the same candle. Dude, you got it? I don't know how you played it and knew it, but awesome. More power to you, dude. I'm glad you got it, but it didn't break either way, so it didn't get triggered. Yeah, it never happened. It finally triggered just now. I don't know. I'm probably not getting in on that. Yo, Raymond Fox, that's awesome. Dude, is this copy trader just not working? Oh, yo, I have it on the wrong thing. Look at that. I have it on NQ325. Dude, I actually just saved me some freaking coin. That was the biggest dud I've ever seen. Yeah. Come on. Push it down. Nah, that's the first time I've seen it not do anything. Like it just stayed there. Dude, I'm gonna drift end of day. I'm drifting. I'm definitely gonna drift end of day. I'm just determining. I'll probably just do it in this account with the other account. They're two evals. Give a little drift action. Yo, it was really just a bad freaking. It didn't go anywhere. Just didn't go anywhere. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, Rosales. I mean, it is what it is, right? It is what it is. Bounced off the 1 minute. Yeah, all the way down here. Yeah. Think they push it? End of day push? Whoo. No. Limp Wiener Murder Bot? Yo, it needs a Hims pill. Yo, it was pretty weak. I'm curious if they push this now. You know, like one of these end of day pushes where we just run up like 20 something points. Come on, baby. Yo, I'm not going to lie. We chopped all fucking afternoon to just drop and then come right back up in the chop zone. I mean, we didn't really do anything. Where's Ray? He owes me a buck tree. What? Ray's in here somewhere. I'm drifting at 4 o'clock. I can tell you that right now. Gotta drift. Tokyo drift. I mean, it feels like they want to just push this shit all the way up. Are they going to? Who knows? But, you know. It's fucking going for it. I mean, I would say target like 34 maybe. Yo, you definitely need the Daytona account without a shadow of a doubt. I mean, if you don't have the Daytona account, the most abusable. Yo, they never I never got paid from them, by the way. I had 7 accounts when they went under. I want my fucking crypto money back. I want my crypto money back. I got abused. They took my money, and as I was working accounts up, they went under. Yo, I'll tell you what, we caught the bottom right here, by the way. That was a good fucking catch. The Dracula pattern. This. I don't know who called it that. No idea. Yo, Chris, when you put patterns on the wall, do you ever look for like something like this where you get like, you know, 1, 2, and then a big third leg pattern on the wall? Do you put like the big third leg pattern up there or no? Yo, BK passed. Yo, Scott bought a few 1998 M3s. Flexi trade. Like, how do you use, like, not for nothing, with a name like Flexi Trade? I'm out. Bro, just like that. $300. You see how easy that trade was? By the way, anybody take that? Yo, that's the drift, boys and girls. Just like that. That's the drift. Who got it? Who got the drift? Yo, that was easy money. That's the drift. That was fucking super easy. Yo, you passed a 300K eval? Damn, Dr. T. That's a big eval. That's a real big eval. I've never passed one of those. I have never passed. I've seen somebody post a thing with all the setups on Instagram. Not Instagram, Twitter. Bro, he got a lot of fucking money, man. To pass a 300K is that 20? No, it's not. What is it? $15,000, I think. $20,000. Yo, Cove, at least you're honest. A lot of people be fronting. Oh, about what, man? I knew it. About what? Just in general? Generally speaking? It's probably because I don't sell you anything, to be honest. I have nothing. I have nothing to sell you. So you either come hang out, have fun, make some money, or you don't. I'm not trying to like be this massive guru guy or trade my style. I just want to have fun. Make money, have fun, hang out with everybody. You know. Dude. I wonder if it breaks this little flag to the downside and you see 64 or something. Here you go. Watch them drop it to like 70. Little flag, and now we're going to dump more maybe. I drifted, Rayu. Look, $300. Lie and say they've passed them. Oh, like a 300K? Yeah, no, I've never passed a 300K, man. I think I've passed maybe only one or two 200Ks ever. I don't really go to pass them. But yeah. I almost passed a 200K on the stream in one trade the other day. I don't know if you guys were on here. But I made like $13,000 in one trade. I passed it. Oh, nah, 25K is awesome. Yo, listen, if you pass any account, that's awesome. Who cares? Who cares what you passed? Pass is pass. Like that lame ass yesterday? Yeah. Yo, I got a payout today. I locked in a max payout right here. I locked in $1,200. So tonight I'm going to withdraw $1,200 from this account. So yeah, man. Yo, Anto, you can do some big damage with a 25K account, man. Once you get past the early stages, they're all the accounts are the same. Yeah, oh, it's 12K? Yeah, it was badass. Damn, look. Trading ain't easy. Definitely not easy. It's definitely not easy. You know, and nobody should make someone else feel bad that they only passed a 25K account anyways, because it's fucking hard. All I know is those TikTok prop firm streamers are full of crap. I have never been on TikTok before. Yo, I fell asleep once and had 2,600. Jeez. Marius Adventures, how was your trade the last one? It was good. I made $300 in 2 accounts. Yeah. I hit the trade right here. Yo, so you can only trade one mini, I think, until you have let's see, can I? So see how I can do 2 now? You can only trade one mini until you have over $1,000 worth of gains. Once you have over 1,000 worth of gains, you can go to 2 minis. Yeah. That's how it works, Ellie. So now I can go to 2, but once I take my payout, I'll probably be back to 1 mini. 1 mini is fine. Hey, I take it. Take it. That's awesome. I don't care how I pass it, as long as I pass it. Oh, man. Oh, man. It's not the size, it's how you use it. Yo. That shit's funny. Yo, I'll be honest with you, Chris. I do a lunchtime trade every day where I leave a trade in and don't touch it and go eat. And I'll be honest with you, it hits a lot of the time because I'm not watching it and I'm just playing off of the chart. And I just go in and I go hands off. Yeah, right before I get off the stream, I usually get into something for the the morning stream I do. So somewhere around 11:50, 11:55, I get in a trade and I kind of hold it. And that's pretty much it. A lot of times it passes. Yeah, Garen, they know exactly how hard it is. I just wouldn't waste my time. Like the amount of time it takes to get $15,000. What I do with those, Garen, is I'll hit the first trade for like 8,000-9,000 and then worry about the other 6. And if I don't get that first 8,000 or 9,000, I just leave. I just stop it. It's whatever. Yo, so don't trade at lunch because you could take a punch is a myth. I feel like if you're scalping at lunch, you could definitely take a punch. But if you play with a wide stop, my stop, those
The market is closed.
stop is like my stop is like 60 points. I have a $1,200 stop on one mini usually. And if I go to more minis, obviously my stop is a little less. But yeah, my stop is not tight. Dude, I did Garen 27 minis. That's how I did the 12,000 real quick. Sometimes you just got to go 27 minis, no stop loss. You know? Yeah, because you don't get stopped out, Baba. You don't get stopped out. Getting stopped out sucks. Definitely don't want to get stopped out. I'm getting back on my take profit trader horse, by the way. I got 3 accounts lined up for tomorrow. And I'm going to try passing some of those and get back to having pro accounts. I'm going to... Oh, dude, my phone just died. What do you got? 20, 250Ks? Jeez. I am going to... Man. I think today was really good. I mean, I feel like I like the price action today. We did have a lot of chop during some periods. Uh-oh, CT, you're going back for more? This looks like it's going to dump, like a little bear flag. The problem is it's not that much of a downside. Like it's literally 5 or 6 points, 7 points. You're not just getting like a massive there's not a lot of room. Ahoy, Christopher. Ahoy. I was wondering why no one texted me while I was on the stream. My phone died. Oh. broke that bear flag to the upside. See, I didn't really like that because the downside was so small. Anto, I was confused. What was the profit I must have for the first day in a PA? Dude, hold on. Anto, you just can't. There's a consistency rule that you just can't go over 30%. So 1,500. Oh, let's see. I'll tell you right now. 1,500. You can't go over $450 to hit that 1,500, but you can go past 1,500 and then make more than 450 in a day. Like, there's not a limit. Just know that your biggest day can't be more than 30% of what you've made. The upside, hold on one sec. Upside down cupping handle on the 5. Oh, this cup. I don't know. That's sloppy as that's sloppy. Yeah, I don't know. I probably wouldn't play it anyways because you're going into after hours. Could it play out? Yeah. No, on any day, Anto. Any day. Any day can't do it. Yo, market only goes up. I thought you knew that already. You didn't know that the market only goes up? Yeah, no problem. Anytime. We're going to run the free account in 4 minutes. Oh, man. Got the old duck race. Quack, quack, baby. So I got it was open before. You guys all joined. Whoever was on the stream joined. What are you guys talking about? You guys are all on the stream. I opened it up. There's 67 people that joined. You guys weren't on the stream earlier? Yo, let you guys vote on it. But normally you got to be on the stream while it's open. Got to be on the stream while it's open. Oh, you guys get. I'll give it to 420 for the voting and see where we're at. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, Chris, I would suggest, honestly, Chris, I would suggest you come into Discord and talk and get a bunch of other traders. Just talking to other traders will help you out. And they trade at night. They share their screens at night. Like, you're going to get a lot out of that also by watching other traders. So I would go into Discord. It's free. The link's in the description. And I would talk to other people in there as well. And people will help you out because that's what the community is about. So I would do that, man. That'd be the number one thing I do. Just throwing it out there. The more people you talk to and get other people's opinions, like, you can just kind of bounce ideas off. All right, we're going to run the duck race. You guys voted no. The high table of the Cove stream has spoken. Got to be on the stream during the day to enter. Winner gets a Take Profit Trader account. Bum, it worked. I could show you my screen. I'll show you my screen in 2 seconds. By the way, if you have questions, now is the time to ask. Bum. Look at this screen. I'll just show you real fast. So it literally caught the bottom off this one. You got to look for some context. So I like this one because we swept the bottom here and then we came back. So I actually like that one. I actually like this one too because we swept the highs here and then we came back. And then I just realized that it was kind of like a trend day, to be honest with you. So I just kind of was looking for only ups, to be honest. And then I took this one right here. After we dumped all that, I took this one right here. And that was kind of the end of the day. Yeah. All right, ready to run this shindig? So this is everybody that was on the morning stream. Oh, by the way, if you have questions about prop firms, that might be able to answer your questions. How do you enter? During market hours? I open. Yeah, that's how you enter. Ian, the rug pull is near. I think you're right, man. I think you're going to wake up one day and we're going to be down like 3% in the market. I think the national debt is going to become a big issue. And they got to restructure a lot of debt. And they're going to restructure it at a higher rate than we've ever restructured at. And it's going to become a big issue to the economy. I made a tweet about it yesterday. I really do believe that the next, you know how like we have inflation was like the big driver. I think national debt is going to become a big driver sooner than later. Yeah. So, yo, what's up, Kron? Nice. Kron's going to play the winner of this. Yeah, so they downgraded. But our debt keeps going up, and they got to do stuff about it. And we have to restructure debt this year, like 9. Dude, I don't even know what the number is. I'll tell you in 2 seconds. Hold on 1 second. I'll tell you right now. So the amount of debt that we need to restructure is $9.2 trillion. And it's going to be at the highest rate that we've ever done it at, I believe. So there's going to be some big issues. Yeah, but they can't money print it. Dude, I was reading this whole thing, how they can't money print it. That's going to be the next driver. They can't money print it because inflation, there's some big issues. And I also think that the Fed wants to make Trump not look that great. So they're not going to cut rates to restructure the debt at a lower rate. So we're going to be stuck restructuring at a higher rate. I'm just telling you, things that I've been looking into. I'm not saying this is going to happen tomorrow. I'm just saying that this is something that you're going to want to look out for. I think you're going to wake up one day and it's going to be a big thing. Yeah, stagflation, Ian. Yeah. Listen, I think there's a lot of things that are going on underneath underneath. And it's 4:26. Sam, are you in here? You got 2 minutes to claim, and then we're gonna race. Otherwise, we'll rerun it. Sam's here. So, it's Sam and you guys who wants the ball race? Who wants to see the ball race in here? Are we gonna ball race it, guys? Oh yeah. Sam Cron ball race. Here we go. By the way, if you have any questions, now's the time to ask. Now's the time to ask about strategies, prop firms, anything. Now's the time to ask in the chat because I could share my screen. I can walk you through things. You guys, for you guys that never seen the ball race. Damn, Tom, you rode the shit out of that thing. Shoot me an email. Which platform? Anto, have you ever gotten payouts before? If you've gotten payouts before, I would use Take Profit Trader. If you have not gotten payouts and don't want to use Apex, I would use My Funded Futures. Yes, Maria. I'll show you right now. That's a perfectly good question. So stochastics kind of keeps me out of doing stupid shit a lot of the times. Like, say we're moving up, right? And we're above 80, I probably won't go in long anymore. Just kind of something that keeps me out of bad trades, right? Other things I look for is divergence, where we're kind of going down a little bit in price, but we're definitely dropping a lot in stochastics, which means sooner or later, I'm looking to grab at some type of little support because I know we're going to turn back around and we're going to go up. But a lot of times it keeps me out of trades that were hot. We're just like, we're overbought. 80-20, I think it's 14. Yeah, 14-3-3. It kind of keeps me out of doing trades. So if you've never gotten a payout, Anto, I would almost say stay with Apex because the accounts are cheaper, but they're not that cheap now. So I would recommend like Bulenox, where you could pay $16 and kind of still learn how to work your strategy and whatnot. If you use my coupon code on Bulenox, it's only $16 accounts. Get 50K accounts. That's what I would do. If you've never gotten a payout, I don't want to see you wasting money on expensive accounts. So I would want you to learn on the cheapest accounts possible. Oh, it's your first funded account? But, if you are going to get a payout, I like Take Profit Trader and My Funded Futures the best. What's the name? Marius, what? Bulenox? Oh, reset my code? Let me see. I just reset it. It should work now. Here, use it'll give you $16 accounts. Yeah. That's where I tell people, if you've never gotten, I'm looking at it right now. Oh shit. They ended it on 6-1. You are right. They ended it on 6-1. Okay. That's why it wasn't working. They ended it on 6-1. Damn. Yo, later. Yeah, so don't get a Bulenox account. Adaptive trend flow failed on the close. I don't use it. I was just using that as an example for somebody to like a new trader. Like first of all, I wouldn't trade anything. If you're new, you should not trade the first 15 minutes or the last half hour of the market. That's a rule that I would go. Can I copy trade my Yes, you can, Mick. Yeah. This is just, I wouldn't follow this, bum. I just used it as like a guide. If you're brand new, as a guide, just to see the trends and what the trend is doing. I wouldn't follow this per se. This is adaptive trend flow. There is a strategy with this. I did a whole strategy with this. It's pretty interesting, but I'm not even going to get into that right now. I have a video about it if you want to watch. Just type in win rate. I mean, honestly, I would do this one. How's that? This is what I would do. I would almost do Maybe do my funded futures. Yeah, 91% off is done, CT. They're not doing 91% off. 91% off is gone. I'm just trying to find what would be the best one. I mean, Starter Plus resets are 20% off. Take Profit Trader. I would say Apex is the cheapest. I wouldn't pay $50 for those accounts, though. If you're brand new and never bought a My Funded Futures account, I think they do 50% off if you're brand new. So you get 50% off an account. I would do that. Yeah, you could pass Apex fast. I mean, you could pass My Funded Futures fast also. You could pass both of them fast. Yeah. I'm just looking to see what deals people are running. I personally, out of all the deals, all the accounts, everything that there is, this is the most trusted and best rules because there are no rules. You can get daily payouts. My Take Profit Trader is the best one. That's literally the best one. You can get daily payouts there. I've made probably I've gotten a fuck ton of payouts from them. Like a fuck ton of payouts. Only because once you pass the buffer, you can get daily payouts. Yeah, it's 30% off, no activation fee though. So when you pass the eval, you don't have to pay you don't have to pay like Apex right now. You got to pay $100 once you pass an eval. You don't pay that in Take Profit Trader. You just go straight to a funded account after you pass. Same thing with My Funded Futures. Yeah, Bum. I mean, switch the time frame that you like the best. What's the cutoff time for Apex is 4:59. Same thing with Take Profit Traders, 4:59. I wouldn't risk it with Take Profit Trader after hours. Just don't trade it after hours. I only brought up adoptive trend flow just for somebody who's brand new. It's not a bad thing to throw on their chart. Just to kind of help somebody get an idea of the market, Bum. But that's all it was. Oh my God. My head is like, dude, I just need like an ice pack on my eyeballs. Yeah. The closest thing to trading your own money is Take Profit Trader. Also, guys are going to be trading in the Discord tonight. If you're hanging out, want to trade, guys are going to be over in the Discord. The link's in the description of this video. Yeah, Ananto. It's probably it's the closest thing to trading your real money. Man, I am exhausted. I streamed a lot today. I was on My Funded Futures TV, and then I streamed again. Yeah, here's the Discord. What's the code? Cove Trader, Robert. And that's the Discord link if you want to go to Discord. Discord's free. And BK Trader is going to be live at 5:55 on the Voice. So if you go in Discord on the left, you scroll down to Voice channels, and you can listen to him on Voice. And then there's an Asia session channel also if you want to trade during Asia. So all that happens in the Discord tonight. So you got people trading all hours over there. I might pop in after I put my kids to bed and my brother leaves. Yo, what up, Coach Fred? Dude, I need a foot massage. I need an ice pack on my eyeballs. I had a long day. Made money. I got a max payout, and I got max payout coming my way. Boom. Yo, Discord's cool, man. BK is going to be trading live at 5:55, Fred. Fred, if you want to trade live, you could trade live in there. Share your screen and whatnot. I know they're going to trade the Asia session. Dell sets up the stage and whatnot. Luca saved by the DCA. Yes. So CT, I think, trades London in the Discord. There's a couple people. Ali trades London. There's like 4 or 5 people that are up at 3 a.m. trading in London, Donna. If you pop in and say, hey, what's up? Who's trading London? I bet you there's a couple people. And then if you want to go into a stage and share screens, you could probably do that. Yo, I think he got hosed yesterday, Jim Blab. I don't know. I haven't talked to him. I think he left. But I think he got hosed yesterday because it just kept going up. Bums up. Yeah, there's probably a couple people in the Discord. So if you want to trade in there, just swing on in. That's what we made it for. And Dell set up stages and stuff. So like you can raise your hand and share your screen if you want, or you could talk on voice. I don't know what happened to him. He just went MIA. I have no idea what happened to him, to be honest with you. Just bounced. It's 4:41 p.m. I'm in New York. Yeah, a couple of guys play poker at night. It's free to play, but they'll play poker at night. There's always stuff going on in the Discord. I would say like BK is going to be on there trading at 6. But come like 8:30 when like Asia time starts, there's a bunch of people in the Discord just hanging out trading. Yeah. There's no fee, Robert. It's free. It's just, and there's a voice chat and everyone just kind of hangs out and talks and whatnot. It's more of like, it's fun to hang out. Everybody has a good time. What's the fee to join Take Profit? Depends on the account. Depends on the account you get. Yeah. Man. All right, guys. I'm going to call it. If you want to support the stream, use coupon code CoveTrader. I'm going to be in the Discord. You can go in the Discord and hang out. You can go on the voice chat. You don't have to talk on the voice chat. You can just listen if you don't want to talk. But a bunch of people hang out, play poker. Everybody is free to join. It's just a cool community. There's no assholes. Everyone's friendly. You can ask questions about trading in there. They talk trading in there. They talk everything. If not, I'll be back tomorrow streaming 10:30 to noon, 2 p.m. to 4:30. We'll do account giveaways tomorrow. And if you got any questions, comment on one of my videos. I get back to you. All right? Enjoy your night, guys. All right? I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.